Today we will discuss a topic income from other sources and subject is taxation-II. Let's see sum number 5 from the following information about income of Mr. Nilesh for assessment year 2019-20. You are required to calculate his taxable income under the head income from other sources. First, family pension received rupees 1,20,000. There are theory of family pension received that deduct 33 into 1/3 or 15,000, whichever is less. Second, dividend received on equity shares of an Indian company. Dividend of Indian company is not taxable under this head, it is exempted. Next, interest received on bank fixed deposit, it is taxable, rupees 2,100. Next, rent received from subtenant of a house property, 9,000, it is taxable. Next, interest received on debentures of RP Limited, rupees 27,000 and TDS rate is 10%. Income from card games, rupees 17,500 and TDS rate is 30%. Next, sitting fees received for attending board meeting as a director of a company, 48,000, it is also taxable. Next, composite rent received of a machinery and building, it is also taxable, 32,000. Next, interest from unexplained sources, this income is also taxable, rupees 1,20,000. Next, interest from wholly tax-free government securities covered, 8,000. Wholly tax-free government security is fully exempted, means tax-free. So it is not taxable under this head of income from other sources. Next, Shri Nilesh claims following deduction in respect of above incomes. First, interest paid on loan taken to invest in equity shares of Indian company. Equity shares of Indian company is not taxable under this head. Second, interest paid on loan taken to invest in debentures of RP Limited. Interest on loan taken to invest in debentures is taxable, so it will be deducted as a specific deduction. Next, expenses incurred in respect of card games. Expenses of card games is not taxable. First number, family pension received, amount is rupees 1,20,000. So 1,20,000 into 33 into 1/3 is equal to 40,000. Or second amount is rupees 15,000, whichever is less. So there is less amount is rupees 15,000. So 1,20,000 minus 15,000 is equal to 1,05,000 net amount. Second, interest received on bank fixed deposit. Bank's fixed deposit is taxable, rupees 2,100. Next, rent received from subtenant of a house property, it is also taxable, rupees 9,000. Next, interest received on debentures of RP Limited, it is also taxable. Amount is rupees 27,000 into 100 upon 100 minus TDS rate, means 100 minus 10. So 27,000 into 100 upon 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. So net amount is 30,000. Next, income from card games, it is also taxable. So calculation is 17,500 into 100 upon 100 minus TDS, means 100 minus 30. So 17,500 into 100 upon 70 is equal to total amount is 25,000. Next, sitting fees received for attending board meeting as a director of a company. This income is also taxable under this head, 48,000 amount. Next, composite rent received of machinery and building, it is also taxable under this head, rupees 32,000. And last, income from unexplained sources, it is also taxable, rupees 1,20,000. So total of incomes is rupees 3,71,100, and deduction, there is only one deduction, that is interest paid on loan taken to invest in debentures of RP Limited. Amount is 6,000. See, there are given total three deductions. First is interest paid on loan taken to invest in equity shares of Indian company. Equity shares of Indian company is not taxable, it is exempted. And third, expenses incurred in respect of card games income. Card games income is also not taxable, so it is exempted, so it will be not deducted in specific deductions. So there is only one deduction, that is interest paid on loan taken to invest in debentures of RP Limited, rupees 6,000. See, we have deduct in deductions interest paid on loan taken to invest in debentures of RP Limited, rupees 6,000. So our net answer is 3,71,100 minus 6,000 is equal to 3,65,100. Taxable income from other sources. Next, sum number 6. From the following information of Mr. Sehwag, calculate income from other sources of assessment year 2019-20. These all are incomes. First number, 10% port trust bonds. Port trust bonds is a taxable income, rupees 2,50,000 amount. Next, 12% preference shares of Atul Limited. Preference shares or dividend is exempted income, so it is not taxable under the head of income from other sources. Next, 10% tax-free debentures of Reliance Limited. Tax-free debentures of Reliance Limited is taxable under this head, and TDS rate is 10%. Amount is rupees 2,16,000. Next, 8% debentures of Adani Limited. Adani Limited debentures is also taxable. Amount is 4 lakh and rate of interest is 8%. Next, income from lottery. Income from lottery is also taxable. Amount is 2,10,000 and TDS rate is 30%. Last, pension from a former employer. Pension from a former employer is not taxable under the head of income from other sources, but it is taxable under the head of income from salary. Next, on 30 November 2018, he sold debentures of Adani Limited of rupees 2 lakh. He paid brokerage of rupees 100 and collection charges of rupees 150. Brokerage is not deductible and collection of charges rupees 150 we will deduct in specific deduction because it is taxable. He received interest on above investment on 30th June and 31st December. So we will calculate our interest on 30th June and 31st December. Answer is first number, 10% port trust bonds. 2,50,000 into 10% is equal to 25,000. Next, 10% tax-free debentures of Reliance Limited. Amount is 2,16,000 into 10% is equal to total interest 21,600 into 100 upon 100 minus 10. 10 means TDS. So 21,600 into 100 upon 90. So net amount is 24,000. Next, 8% debentures of Adani Limited. There are given 8% debentures of Adani Limited. Total amount is rupees 4 lakh. And information is that on 13 November 2018, he sold debentures of Adani Limited of rupees 2 lakh. So we will calculate interest for remaining 2 lakh. We will calculate 12 months interest, means whole year interest. And for remaining 2 lakh, he sold on 31st 30 November means after June and before December. So we will calculate half yearly interest of this Adani Limited debentures. See in answer, for remaining 2 lakh, that is 2 lakh into 8% is equal to 16,000 for whole year, and sold debenture, that is 2 lakh into 8% into 6 upon 12. 6 upon 12 means after June and before December. So total amount is 8,000. 2 lakh into 8% into 6 upon 12 is equal to 8,000. So 16,000 plus 8,000 is equal to 24,000 total 8% debentures of Adani Limited. Next, income from lottery. 2,10,000 is amount total into 100 upon 100 minus TDS rate 30. So 2,10,000 into 100 upon 10 minus 30 TDS means 70. So net amount is 3 lakh. So make first total of this all incomes, that is 3,73,000 minus deductions, collection charges. See there are deductions given. First brokerage and second collection charges. Brokerage is not deductible, so we will deduct only collection charges, that is rupees 150. So 3,73,000 minus 150 is equal to 3,72,850. This is our net answer, that is taxable income from other sources. Thank you.